All right, here's a 1952 Chevy 3100. Truck is, call it a running and driving project. Sitting on an S10 frame, so it's got power steering, power brakes, nice suspension. Rebuilt 350 motor, rebuilt 350 trans, and a 10-bolt rear end. Overall, pretty solid truck. It does have some rust in the cab corners, but not real bad. Just needs a few things finished up. Just got the fuel, temp, and oil gauges hooked up. Seat is just sitting there. Needs the signals hooked up. The windows switched over to a one-piece glass, but it does need regulators and it does need finished out. Let's see, return this key. Fires up pretty easy. New fuel tank, new exhaust, new wheels and tires, new radiator. Like I said, just needs some things buttoned up. Running and driving project.